Hello, everyone. Nice to see you. I study English every day. I understand a lot, but when I need to speak, only hello comes out. Sometimes I feel very confident. I watch English videos. I understand everything. And I think, wow, my English is so good. Then a real person talks to me, and suddenly I need subtitles. I know a lot of English until someone asks me a question. Then suddenly, my whole vocabulary becomes. Sometimes I speak half English, half my language. I start with, excuse me, and then suddenly, the rest is not English anymore. It's like my sentence gets tired and goes back home. Sometimes I want to say one simple sentence in English. Very simple. But in my head, it becomes a big project. By the time I am ready to speak, the conversation is finished. Sometimes I speak English, but only the beginning is English. After that, my own language joins the conversation. It is not one language anymore. It is teamwork. Sometimes I use one English word in the middle of my own language, just to sound smart. But after that one word, I go back to my language immediately. So, it is not fluent English. It is one English guessed in a local sentence.